fried Roman noodle spaghetti. Quick, easy, simple little dish for dinner in case you don't have your noodles. Okay, I'll show you guys how to make it out of Roman noodles to make basic Roman noodles taste great. So you guys, I'm going to add my meat. You guys can add whatever meat you want to. You can use sausage, hot dogs, hamburger, whatever you want to use. So I have me some beef sausages right here. So I'm going to put me a little bit of that in there. And then I'm going to grab my sauce. Oops. My sauce and tomatoes. Okay. That poured in so unappetizing, but so what we're gonna do is mix this all together. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a nice little mix. Okay, that already looks great. Turning a regular, making all kind of a mess. Turning a regular Roman noodle dish into a nice spaghetti dish, okay? Right, and then after this simmers for a little bit, I will add some cheese, and then I will show you guys how you guys do a light fry, okay? Okay, period. This looks amazing. Okay, so now what I want you guys to do is get you some shredded cheese or whatever kind of cheese you'd like to use. I want you to take the cheese, okay, and I want you to throw it on in there as much as you want. If you like it really cheesy, then make it really cheesy. If you like it just a little bit cheesy, then make it a little bit cheesy. My suggestion would be to use Parmesan cheese and shredded cheese. That would be so good. Okay? So good. Alright, there we go. It's nice and cheesy, saucy, meaty. Okay? Nice. Alright you guys, so basically I got just a little bit of grease on here, okay? Just gonna put a little bit in the pot, okay? Just a little bit in the pot, and then I'm gonna bring my spaghetti over here. What I did was I did a little small strain on my spaghetti just to get some of that sauce out of there. Okay, so while that's hot, you want to pour your spaghetti in there, okay? And you're just going to give it a light toss, okay? Okay, so a light toss. Alright, I'm going to do a quick fry on that, just like a flash fry. Flash fry. Okay, just going to do, like I said, a flash fry, which means fairly quick. It doesn't have to be in here too long, okay? It doesn't have to be in here too long. Alright, and then we're going to take that out of there. Okay, simple, just like that. Quick and simple. drain the spaghetti. Y'all, that is so bomb. That is so bomb. That is good. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I did add a little bit of this in here. So just like you would do regular noodles, start off making your noodles normal and then make your spaghetti ingredients, okay? Quick reminder. So for everybody that wants to know what I use, I just use some basil leaves, some parsley leaves, some pepper. These are the three ingredients I used at the end when it was all done. While I was cooking, I used some salt. Obviously, I used the shredded cheese. And surprise ingredients I used for the sauce. I used some diced tomatoes with green chilies, and I used the manwich sauce as the sauce ingredient. So these two together made that sauce super awesome. If you guys try it, you'll love it. Don't knock it before you try it. I'm telling you, I just made a simple dish and turned it into some gourmet type of spaghetti. And for you super duper awesome cheese lovers, if you want to do something a little extra to your spaghetti, you can put a little bit of cheese on top and then throw it right in the oven, and then you'll have you a super cheesy spaghetti dish right here. So please try these ingredients. Please try this recipe. I guarantee you it will not disappoint you. I haven't disappointed you guys yet, so I'm not going to start now. All right. Thank you for subscribing and joining and tuning in to Luminous's Eat Chronicles. I love you guys. Thank you. See you guys next time.